Hi, this is my introduction video for AEP 800. My name is Shawn Mackey, and currently I'm a special education instructional specialist for secondary schools. So I help middle and high school teachers find resources and provide training to better serve our students with special needs. Previously, I was a special education resource teacher and department chair, and I mainly co-taught in math classes. My critical reflection about the impact of technology: in Shawnee Mission, we are a one-to-one school district, so at the elementary school, all of those students have iPads, and at the middle and high schools, all the students have a MacBook. And so teachers use a lot of technology-based classroom things in order to work in their classrooms. I think it promotes more critical thinking for the students because with a lot of the teachers, they're doing more project-based learning also, so the kids have to come up with how they're going to do things as well as somewhat what they're going to do specifically to meet the standard in the class. There's more collaboration because more students are working together because they can send information back and forth and help each other or critique each other, whatever the case may be. And I think there are also more opportunities for more students to be involved in things because there are different ways for them to show what they have learned. A critique of my personal use. Again, we're a one-to-one school district. As a special education teacher, I think that having the technology helps immensely with accommodations and modifications. So when a teacher sends me something, it's easier to receive the file, modify it, and send it back, or just print it myself to give to the students instead of passing papers back and forth. I think it also brings people together on projects because depending on what the teacher uses, more kids can collaborate. A lot of our teachers use Schoology or Google Classroom so that more information is shared between students and teachers. The proposal that I have for improving or enhancing my current practices, what I would like to see is have teachers collaborate more on what they are using. Right now, there are a lot of platforms out there, and a lot of them are basically the same, but not everyone's using them the same. And as a special education teacher, that's sometimes a little difficult to help students get done what they need to get done. And I think if we collaborate, we can create some more common ground on how things are going to be done. And as far as funding, I think that a lot of this can be done through PLCs and just talking to each other so that everyone knows what they're doing, how they're doing it, and we can make adjustments with what each individual teacher has based on that. That is me in a nutshell, and thank you, and I look forward to working with everyone.